In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your video scripts in Notion using a ready-made template. By the end, you'll have a simple workspace where you can plan, write, and track all of your videos in one place. Open Notion and go to the Templates section from the sidebar. In the search bar, type Video Content, Content Calendar, or Video Production to browse the available templates. Choose the one that best matches your workflow, then click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, rename it to fit your channel or project. You'll typically see sections for video ideas, script writing, production status, publishing dates, and notes. Start adding your videos by creating a new entry for each one. Enter the video title, script, target publish date, and any additional details such as thumbnail ideas, keywords, or B-roll notes. Customize the database to match your workflow by adding properties like status, priority, platform, or recording complete. You can also create filtered views to quickly see videos that are in writing, filming, editing, or ready to publish. As your library grows, use sorting and filtering to find scripts quickly and keep your content pipeline organized. That's how to organize video scripts in Notion. Thanks for watching.